How many of you use like this style of socket rail in your toolbox? It's got these with the clips on there, different sizes. This happens to be for 1/2 inch, but you know, they store your sockets real nicely. Maybe you use one of these. This is a magnetic rail. It's got a bunch of different sizes. You got your 3/8, got your 1/4, even got some 1/2 inch on there. Just a whole mix of different sockets or different fittings on there. Now, how many of you have a stash of these clips laying around? 1/2 inch, 3/8, 1/4, so that you can mix and match. You can move things around. You can add some, or from the ones that you've just removed, or for when you break them. Why not just 3D print your own? These little socket rails are just really handy to have lying around. They allow you to kind of reorganize your toolbox, maybe, you know, add things that you pick up later on. But I also find these annoying in the fact that, you know, if I'm using these to reorganize some drawers in my toolbox, and maybe I don't have any of the 3/8 clips at the time. So got to go on Amazon, order a bag of them. But that's when I decided, why don't I go ahead and put my 3D printer to work? So I went into my CAD program, took some measurements of the clips on that rail, and I made my own. Now, these don't have the integrated ball or spring-loaded ball on there to kind of help hold stuff on there. So I wouldn't use these in like a mobile toolbox situation. But you can see I made them so that they slip right on this rail. They will slip right on that big magnetic rail too. They are a little snug. I wanted them a nice tight fit, but you can see they fit. They're adjustable. Like I said, I wouldn't use these in a mobile toolbox because they don't have that ball on the side. They don't have, you know, this ball to help kind of lock anything onto the clip. But for a stationary toolbox, like my big one over there that doesn't move, having this in a drawer worked just fine. So I'll leave the link down below to the Red Blooded Products store. There you can buy any of the STL files for a lot of the things that I've included on the channel that I 3D print. Appreciate you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe, hit the bell. See you on the next one.